Hello everyone, this is Annie from DuraMac. In this video, I will take you to visit DuraMac's business partner's factory, Datong Gear, so that you can witness the production process of Chinese premium transmission. Let's go! Datong Gear Company Limited was founded in 1958, mainly engaged in commercial vehicle transmission, engine gear OEM production, and construction machinery gear OEM production. The factory covers an area of more than 1,000 acres. Datong Gear Factory has a total of 8 production lines, which including gear processing line, engine gear heat treatment line, transmission gear heat treatment line, gear grinding processing line, gear testing center, transmission assembly line, painting line, packaging and delivery area. First, we come to the intelligent automatic gear machining line. The whole production line includes the complete processing process of gear from the work blind to the finished product. And Datong Gear have more than 40 similar gear processing lines in this workshop, respectively serving different products and uses. Automatic engine gear heat treatment process including tempering, quenching, and normalizing steps. Advanced intelligent automatic equipment ensuring the high quality and high stability of our products. This is the transmission gear heat treatment processing line with Datong Gear, which can customize the corresponding heat treatment process according to different product requirements. Here is the advanced automatic gear grinding line, which gathering a series of high-end European gear automation production equipment, mainly used to improve gear accuracy and surface finish, and can also using for steel gear processing which we high hardness after finishing quenching. Datong Gear has a full set of testing equipment, strong testing capabilities ensuring that each gear delivered by Datong Gear is fully in line with all technical standards and requirements. It is the foundation of stability of product quality of Datong Gear. This is the highly automated transmission assembly line of Datong Gear. The assembly line site environment is clean and comfortable. It is equipped with air conditioning to provide workers have a comfortable working environment, ensuring the quality and stability of all transmission assembly. This side is the painting hoisting area, which is transporting transmission to the next automatic painting operations through the automatic chain. This side is the packaging and delivery area, which is the area where the goods are packed and sorted, achieving seamless stocking with the paint line to ensure the efficient products turnover. We will go to visit Datong Research and Development Team. Through continuous development, Datong has brought together a large number of technical talents and has a wide coverage of research and development products, which covers a full range of mechanical, AMT, hybrid and pure electric transmissions. After this visiting, we will not only learn the production process of the product in detail, but also deeply experience the modern production mode of high efficiency and high reliability brought by the latest production technology of high automation, which is also the foundation of Datong Gear's high quality and trust Datong Gear to go abroad and drive the world. DuraMac and Datong sincerely invite customers from all over the world to visit our factory and work together to promote the development of modernization. Thanks for your time with us. We are going to contact at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to contact our homepage www.duramac.com.